can you completely stop microdosing a GLP-1? At first, I thought most people who start microdosing will have to be on it for life, but actually my thoughts on it changed, and I do think it's possible for some people to get off of it. So in this probably quick video, I'll talk about who I think can get off the meds and why I will be on it for life. And maybe this will help you decide whether microdosing is a temporary thing or a lifelong thing for you. Also, before we start, I'm talking about microdosing for fat loss and whether or not some people can get off of it. Some people take it for inflammatory reasons or other benefits, which aren't related to fat loss. And yeah. So for people who want to microdose temporarily, they mostly just want to lose a certain amount of weight and then just get off the meds. Now, the issue with this is potentially regaining the weight after they stop microdosing because I believe successful weight loss isn't just losing weight, but keeping it off as well. Nobody wants to spend months losing weight just to regain it after like a year. But anyways, I do believe some people can stop microdosing completely and not regain the weight, but they need to have a certain background for it. So here's my criteria for it. One, I think they need to have a healthy lifestyle and good habits in place before getting off. So consistently exercising and having good eating habits. And by habits, I mean aware of what and how much food they're eating, just to not regain the weight. And two, I think they need to not have any major underlying issues that can cause weight gain. So think normal amounts of food noise without microdosing or normal hunger signals, meaning you have a normal appetite without a GLP-1. I think if you have both of these, you have a pretty good chance of getting off the meds and not regaining it. There's a few people I follow online who use GLP-1s, and one of them only uses it temporarily. He uses it only for bodybuilding competitions when he has to get really lean, but after the competition, he just gets off of it. So this is a case of temporary use. He's got the habits and lifestyle in place and doesn't have any underlying issues. There's another person I follow who takes it year round and doesn't get off of it because he has issues with binge eating. And this guy is in shape and he's a personal trainer. I'm personally like the second guy, and it's the reason why I can't get off the meds even after I hit my goal weight. Okay, so why will I be on a GLP-1 for life? I originally microdosed to help control my binge eating and to reduce some food noise that I had. Not for weight loss, but I knew losing weight would be easier on a GLP-1, so I just took advantage of it, and now I'm making videos on it. If I get off the meds, my binge eating and food noise will probably come back, and I will regain the weight, even with my habits and lifestyle in place. If I didn't have any issues, I probably wouldn't be microdosing. Like, why would I want to deal with side effects and pay for a GLP-1 if I didn't have to? Now, how do I know for sure my binge eating and food noise will come back? When my meds wear off at the end of the week, I usually crave more food, and I can't stop thinking about eating. It's why I have to constantly take my shot weekly just to get the benefits I want. Now imagine if I completely stopped taking a GLP-1. There would be nothing to stop my problems from coming back. But I do believe I can reduce my dose and go into maintenance, but overall, I probably will be on the meds forever. And it's not just to maintain my weight, but because of the benefits and quality of life that I get from taking them. Like, I wear glasses so I can see, and it improves my quality of life. If I don't wear them, then my life gets harder because I can't see. I take tirzepatide to help control my binge eating and to reduce some food noise. So it improves my quality of life. If I don't take it, then life gets harder because the food noise just takes over my thoughts. Then I'll probably regain the weight. So my point is, if you're using a GLP-1 to help with your issues that can cause weight gain, like in my case, then getting off of it completely can be kind of hard. Not impossible, but hard. If you're going to try to get off of them and you have underlying issues, try to make sure you got your lifestyle and habits in place first. And if it's too hard to maintain your weight, there's nothing wrong with going back to a maintenance dose if your doctor and provider can give it to you. All right, that's the video. Hopefully this helped with any expectations. If you needed it, thanks for watching. Bye.